I think our planet is a fantastic place. And our future is shaped by the things we do now. I know when I grow up, we will need a lot of computing power. This power will mean a lot of good and exciting things. It will mean that people will be able to afford good healthcare. It will mean that people all over the world will be able to communicate so much better. It will mean that we really can have vehicles that drive themselves and lots more. But what worries me is that bad things that happens to our planet by making energy the wrong way. And what makes me upset is all that energy used to make computing power is wasted. It shouldn't be wasted, it should be reused for good things. Things that help us in our world. I feel happy and full of hope when people tell me that Synthesis Analytics have been able to find answers to my worries. Synthesis Analytics have developed a totally green solution to this problem. This solution would provide our world with the computing power it needs in a sustainable way. This is how it works. Synthesis Analytics use clean, renewable energy from solar and hydropower to run their computers. The heat from the processors is captured by a friendly mineral oil. This oil is then cooled down by cold water from the sea. The cool oil is passed back through the system to cool the processors again. And the hot water is used to heat homes and cities. I hope all the computing power when I grow up will be like this world-friendly solution, and I can feel safe knowing we are protecting our planet.